JQ, a range of organic beauty products. We have a unique collection of organic products that contain skincare beauty products and haircare beauty products. We are assured about our quality and quantity. Our products have organic extracts, minerals, vitamins, essential oils, and unique texture. Each formula has its gentle fragrance that makes it very effective and attractive to our consumers. Steroid, sulfates, paraben, and other harsh chemicals. Free organic beauty products make them effective for all generations. Our organic beauty ranges consist of jasmine sunscreen and moisturizer, Koku brightening serum, Jq.Organic vitamin C serum, strawberry lip balm, natural mud mask, moisturizing soap and scrub soap that have soft and gentle fragrance and soft touch as well. Hair care routine consists of moringa hair serum and floral organic shampoo. Their combination resists hair fall and make your scalp healthy. This is the secret of healthy, long and shiny hair. Stay tuned with our organic beauty products and avail maximum benefits from it.